Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, Miss Renilda and Mr. Fa.
Good evening, Mr. Randa. Good evening, Mr. Fa.
So today we will take a video, take a conversation with my partner. My name is Gilang Aditya. I'm from Dynamic Class, and could you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, my name is Najwa Zaramanda. Everyone calls me Najwa. I'm from Mastering System class.
Okay, thank you. And I want to talk about my plans next month.
Oh yeah, that's interesting
Yeah.
topic.
My plan next month is I will study hard because I still CTC student here, and I will study hard because I want get high score from all exams, and
So,
I'll be healthy man. I want to be more healthy than other man.
oh, I see. Do you like exercise?
Yeah, I like bicycling or running.
Run. Oh. Do you do running every day?
If running like 2 weeks, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Once in 2 weeks?
Yeah,
or
but
twice
one
in 1 week?
once 2 week.
Oh.
But if bicycling every weekend,
Every weekend.
yeah, like go to Gumul or like around Pare.
Oh, do you go to Gumul by cycling?
Yeah,
Wow.
by
wow.
bicycling.
It's really far.
Yeah, like 30 kilometers.
Oh, yeah, I see. It's really far.
Sometimes I go with my friends or alone.
Alone?
Yeah,
Oh my god. That's
because
great.
I like alone because I like I like the fights or other.
Do you do the activity in the morning
Uh,
or maybe afternoon?
in morning.
In the morning.
Because if in afternoon the sun is on me,
Oh yeah, really hot.
really hot.
Or sometimes it's raining, right?
It's raining, yeah. But sometimes I go to Candi Tegawangi or
Oh, temple.
temple
Yeah, I see.
with my partner.
Oh, and what's your feeling when you do bicycling alone?
It's make my feet it's make my feet pain, but that's make me happy because I like bicycling.
Oh, yeah. And then talk about your plan next month. Why do you want to get high score? For what?
For following TC program
Oh.
because I want follow TC program.
Oh, I see. Oh, after this CTC program, you
Yeah.
directly follow TC program.
Yeah,
Oh, at Ramadan.
at Ramadan.
Oh, that's really great.
Yeah. And because why I want to get high score because there is help me for get my favorite university or better
Oh.
job.
I see.
Yeah, because I want study abroad or work abroad.
Oh, that's really great.
Yeah.
And then, do you want to get all of these things in CTC? Because in CTC, because in CTC there is 5 steps, right?
Yeah, right. I think I want all stand because like my achievement.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
If I got all of them, I really happy.
Me too.
Yeah.
Actually, I got it.
Oh, you got 5
Yeah,
stand.
I got 5 stamps when I was CTC, and it's really made me happy. And I didn't expect that I could get that. So
that's
I
amazing.
hope you can feel what I felt.
Thank you. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your time and to make conversation with me.
Okay,
Uh,
my pleasure.
yeah, thank you so much. And last to say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.